Guys, got another house wash today, and as usual I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough. I'm starting on the front left side at this. I'll show some of the troubled areas. Well, I'll show the whole house, but these are some of the main troubled areas. I'll be doing this deck today. Outside all cleaned up. We did the gutters already. Got the out of the gutters. Got that done. That's what we started with. So we're doing a full house wash, the deck, the gutters, and the shed today. So the house is really not that bad. I've seen worse. It's just the eaves, the edges are pretty dirty. We didn't discuss this cement pad right here, patio. But he did just tell me he wanted that done, so I didn't bring the surface cleaner. But I don't know if I should go back and get it or just do it with the wand, but it will get done. Just thinking of the best way to get it done. So then we have the north side, which is the worst side on any house. The north side is the side that always accumulates the algae. So that's pretty bad. And I actually like to see stuff like this. You know, it gets me a good before and after pic. So I'm happy with this. Alright, that's about it besides this shed. Said it's not that bad either. But I did find something back there. So we got that little algae. Now, what I found back here, alright, first I'll show the dirt on the shed. And then I'll show you what I found, because I could have just stepped right in it and been in the hospital probably. But right inside this little opening right here in the ground, there's definitely a beehive down there. I've dealt with these things, and the last time I had a house wash, it was on the house though, but I quoted the job to be about 3 hours, and it took me an extra 2 hours because I had to spray down the hive, and then, you know, about an hour I'm running from bees and ducking and swinging. So, but yeah, I don't think this would be that bad. I just want to just cover it, but I don't know. So we'll see how this goes. But yeah, I'm glad I seen that though. But yeah, that's about it right now. So I'll get started with this house wash and catch you guys later. All right.